Welcome to yet another lookbook on my channel. But before we take a closer look at the outfits, I want to thank Beara for sponsoring this video. Beara is a London-based brand that produces high-quality leather goods. I have been asked for a good source for leather bags in the past, and here you have it. The goods are produced in Bolivia and they are very transparent about the production, which I absolutely appreciate. They have a lot of vintage style pieces and 2 are included in this lookbook. As chance would have it, you also get 10% off using my discount code VINTAGE. You will find further details in the video description. First, some general thoughts. So, I work in IT, the kind of desk job you might not associate with a tendency towards classic or vintage menswear. But the good thing is, there is no dress code at my workplace. Nonetheless, I try to adapt my personal style to my work environment, and these are some of the outfits I wear to work, or more precisely, wore to work before the pandemic. Because I work from home right now. Anyway, let's take a closer look at outfit number 1. This is a very grayscale outfit and thus maybe the most conservative of all 3. The base is a mid-grey pinstripe double-breasted suit from Suit Supply, so nothing that is actually vintage. Nonetheless, double-breasted suits are already something you don't see that often anymore. I like the cut of this one and paired it with a very plain white dress shirt as well as a black necktie. Yes, black. Some of you might think it's inappropriate for business, but I don't. It's a grenadine garzafina silk tie from Analog Approach, formerly known as Vecchio Asiatico. The pocket square is mostly off-white and black, but also yields some hidden green tones. Now, the first vintage touch is the collar pin I'm wearing with the necktie. The second vintage touch is my black true vintage bowler hat. Everything else is more timeless and a bit British, I guess, than vintage, including the pair of black cap-toe Oxfords. Finally, this is one of the leather bags from Beara. It's called Charles, also a bit British, I guess. An elegant black bag which has the perfect size for the little laptop I actually use for work. Outfit number 2. Now, the base here is a dark brown flannel suit with grey chalk stripes and a fine grey sweater. Again combined with a plain white shirt as well as a plain white pocket square. The necktie is maybe my most fancy one. A vintage Gianni Versace tie made from silk printed in dark green and golden tones. On top I'm wearing a dark brown bowler hat. One of my absolute favorite hats right now. The shoes are dark brown cap-toe Oxfords, Park Avenues to be precise. And finally, the bag is a satchel with a Harris tweed front. Sadly, I can't remember where I got it, but it has been my default choice before. Now, this outfit is dominated by brown tones, which a lot of you might consider inappropriate for work, for desk job at least. And there is something true about this objection. It really depends on your job, and again, we don't have a dress code, so while it works for me, maybe it doesn't work for you. Last but certainly not least, Nummer 3. This is a pale brown 3-piece suit combined with a bright grey dress shirt. And by the way, I think grey dress shirts are absolutely underrated. Everybody has whites and light blue ones. Try a grey one. The tie knot of my dark green grenadine necktie is elevated by a golden collar pin. The pocket square is a sophisticated print of an historical hunting scene made by Remplay. The colors on the edge pick up the light grey of the shirt as well as the dark green of the necktie. The shoes are full brogue Oxfords in burgundy and they pick up the color of the leather bag from, you guessed it, Beara. This one is called El Dorado. The storage space in this one is huge, and it reminds me of my favorite teacher in school. That's it. I hope you enjoyed my little lookbook video and got some ideas for your office wardrobe. Check out my other lookbooks and please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.